Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am 𝗪𝗲𝗲 from 𝗪𝗏𝗲. In today's video, we're going to be exploring how we can get a free AI credit from Renoise AI. Yes, in this video, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how you can claim AI credits from Renoise AI. So what exactly is Renoise? I'm going to be putting us through how we can join the community, how we can join the challenge on Contra, and how we can get the discount code to claim the offer. So now if you love this video, all you have to do is just make sure you click on the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to click on the notification icon to get notified when the videos are posted. So I've received some comments in regards to, okay, some of the content are not real. Yeah, so what happened is that some of the content literally they are time sensitive in regards to like the discount code available as something you need to work on and something you don't need to sleep on. So for active people, I'm still going to be dropping another video, and this is what I have for you today. Yeah, so now all we have to do is just the normal way, search for anything you're looking for, get to know more about it if you're curious. Yeah, so now if you have to go to any browser, just search for Renoise AI as in noise, then you have Ray, so which is spelled as RENOISE AI. So now when you get over there, it's actually the first result you're going to be seeing on your SRB page, or your search engine results page. So now when you look over here, you can see create high fidelity AI video with Renoise powered by Sedan 2.0. Our face-pass technology ensure perfect character consistent. So this is actually an AI which is a combination of lot of AI models and AI tools they can use to automatically generate high quality video and image from simple text prompts. So you don't have to be revamping or just rewriting your text prompt. You can usually generate a video from a text prompt and at the same time generate an image. So it's just towards content creators and marketers, allowing them to create scripts, voiceover, and Hollywood level video ad. Yeah, so if you can see some of the videos that are dropped here are AI experts, so you can do how to visit the channel. So and it's very relevant, and I think that's literally just for 2 months ago there, and so it also accepts and give you an AI lip sync. Yes, so now using different model, so you can actually connect some other models to it like Cloud, Gemini. Yes, so now the next thing for us to do is just make sure we visit the first result, so which is Renoise.ai. So when you get over here, you can see what we have on the landing page. Yes, so we have Grok, lot of models that are available here. So or if you're a developer who work with the command line interface, so the CLI also is available for you to work with. So on getting to this landing page, you can see there are a lot of templates available, so you can explore different type of the templates which is going to make your work professional and at the same time fairer. Yes, so this is how it's work with cloud code. Yes, so and also you have the coders, so OpenClaw, and at the same time Mac OS, so you can just do how to download it. But to get started, let's look into the pricing and let's look at what we are claiming. So when you click on the pricing tab here, this is the starter, right? The starter goes for $20 per month, and you have 1002 credits per month, so it will be able to generate you 600 image or at least 18 video, and these are what seems to be the quality. And also you can look at this standard. Yes, but this offer is literally being based on a challenge base, so which is what we call Contra challenge. So Renoise is collaborating with Contra, and they are making sure they are offering an hackathon part of the team, so which was around 10.5 UK dollars. So in terms of how it's going to start in the next 2 days. So but before then, you don't have to wait, as the judge is going to be by probably by July 1st, so of which you literally have some days to get prepared ahead for it. So now this is what it's all about. As you can see, it starts in 3 days. So the first place is going with $5,000 to 5 and 1,000, so respectively. So if you want to join, all you have to do is make sure you in the video description below, right? So it's going to be there, and you can just do well to join it. Also, how you can join Contra, it's available there. Yes, so now the next thing you have to do is just make sure you go over to Contra with the link and you click on join the challenge, right? So when you when you join the challenge, you are going to receive an email, right, that actually accepts you in. So now you can, the next thing we're going to be doing is we signing up our account. Yes, so after we head over to Renoise, so you can see a lot of things. You can see how good the video generation is. So this is not just specific or based on any tools. It is based on different AI model that you can use across different platform. So now all you have to do is, if you do not have an account, you just have to create an account. Yes, so let's create our account. You can decide to continue with Google, yeah, but depending on how you want it. So now I'm going to be creating my account now. So let's get it started. Okay. Okay, so I've input my details and credentials, then click on create account. So let's wait for it to come up. So to verify my email, and verification email has been sent to my email. So you can be resending in 51 seconds or literally within 1 minute countdown. So let's head over to our email and do how to verify this up. So let's verify our email. Okay, so again, you see this, as you can see, this is just 0 minutes. So continue sign up. This is how you verify your email. Yes, so let it load up, and we have to make sure it's sync. Yes, so now we are logged into our account, as you can see. So here you can check on every of your process or the projects you're working with. So this is what you are likely to create. If you want to create a video, an image, audio, which involve voiceover, and these are Canva that you can literally just use for your visual libraries. So this is where you put in your prompt, and if you have a start or end frame, so you can do how to upload them. Yeah, so now the next thing we need to do is we have to look at this sidebar that we have here, and you can see the current plan I am is the free. Yeah, so we are not currently on the starter or the enterprises as we've seen in the pricing page. So this is the credit, so you can do how to upgrade if you would love to buy a credit yourself. So you can, yeah, it is. So but here we are redeeming a code. Yeah, so now when you click on redeem code, you are going to have this pop up. Join the challenge, you are going to receive your welcome email, and a discount code is going to be there. So note, this discount code is unique for every individual, so just make sure you join using the step in the video as guided. And let's head over to Renoise again and put in our code. Yes, then click on redeem code. Yeah, so as you can see, you've redeemed 1000 credit, AI credit. So now the next thing we need to do to verify this is still on this sidebar. You have to, let's minimize a bit. Yes, so you have to go to your account, and now as you can see it here, so you can see you have what you have the credit, which is worth more than before. We had zero, but now we have 1000 AI credit, as you can see here. So this is literally how it is, and currently he is still on the free plan. So let's click on the credits and let's look at the details. So you can see my name here, you can see my credits balance, and you can see the day I redeemed it, which is 20th of June. So just some minute ago, redemption 1000, and this is the code I use. So if you want to subscribe, you choose a plan, which is like you upgrading your plan. But I believe we are okay with this. Then you can start creating whatever you want, and on using that, using a good prompt, you will be able to join the challenge, and if possible, you're able to win the challenge. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching. I look forward to you submitting your challenge and towards you joining Contra for some other challenge that might actually come up. Do not forget to share this to your friends, family, colleagues who are going to be interested in this challenge and who is going to be interested in working with Renoise AI over time and how they can claim it. Do have a lovely day ahead. Bye.